Okay, here is the monthly maintenance. That means every month you need to do the first part is the table. So for y direction and x direction, we have 6 rules. So what we need to do is to clean the rules and put some grease. Here you see, here is the grease. Okay, clean the rules and put some grease on the rules. First, we need to use WD-14 and spray to the clean cloth. Clean clothes, W14. Okay, and we clean here. Rule number 1, number 2, ball screws, and number 3, we need to clean 1, 2, 3 from the beginning to the end, all clean. And then we put the grease, the grease to the rule like this. Okay, like this. And here also, from the beginning to the end. The end is here. I think the end is 放下来. Here is the end. See? Okay. From the beginning to the end. Okay, here is for y direction. And for x direction, 拿着. Here, 1, 拍到我的手没有? 1, 2. These 2 rules is for x direction, and the last one is here inside. 放手. Here, 1, 2, 3. This one is number 3, the last one. Okay, clean and grease. This is for the table maintenance. For the head maintenance, we do the same way. We use some clean cloth, clothes, and we clean here from the bottom side to the top. Clean from bottom side to the top. See here? Okay, then 拿着. Then we use this grease, okay, and put here. 不用靠这么近. From the bottom side to the top, okay. The right side also from the bottom side to the top. Okay, and careful. Here is also a spot, also a screw, a ball screw here, and the gear here. Also need grease here. Okay, here. Okay, here is the second part for the head maintenance. And the last part is here. So we put down the emergency button to let the machine power off. And then we we take out this one. Okay, see, from the button side to move to the top side, and then we make some grease here inside. 靠近一点，往右边来一点。Okay, see here, make some grease here and here. 好。And the last part is the conveyor. Okay, this way. See here? 拍我的手。Up and down. Here is always moving up and down. So we need to get some oil. See, oil. 拍油。Okay, oil. Here and here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also in the right side, this way. In the unloading side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put some oil. Okay. But this way, here, this is the cylinder. It's not necessary to get any grease or oil.